Yota, conscious development. In this video, we will discuss one natural method for increasing testosterone levels in the human body. In men over 40 years old, the amount of testosterone starts to decrease gradually at a rate of 1% per year, which can be a problem for many functions, including libido and masculine characteristics such as body hair growth and muscle development. While some men take testosterone pills or injections, this can lead to the deactivation of the glands that produce it. Therefore, it is necessary to maintain hormone levels at an optimal state, and we will explore what causes a decrease in these levels in our upcoming videos. The natural and safe approach to hormone maintenance is glandular therapy, which provides nutritional support to the corresponding glands to help them emit the necessary hormones. The endocrine system, like the nervous system, is a communication network that operates through neurotransmitters. Hormones are produced, enter the bloodstream, and then are received by receptors to exert their action. Attempts to artificially alter processes intended by nature always lead to problems or side effects. In this video, we want to share information about a natural product and its multiple beneficial properties for testosterone. We are talking about onion. Onion contains a substance that activates luteinizing hormone in the pituitary gland, which in turn increases testosterone production. In 29 different studies, onion has been shown to be effective in this regard by 75%. Additionally, onion has a powerful antioxidant effect, helps with insulin resistance, fights cancer, increases nitric oxide levels, which benefits the heart and blood vessels, and contains quercetin, which also helps to increase luteinizing hormone levels. Onion can be added to the diet by preparing burgers, omelets, grilled dishes, and many other dishes. For maximum health benefits, it is recommended to consume onion raw or lightly fried to preserve its beneficial properties. There are many other methods for increasing testosterone levels in the body, which we will discuss in our upcoming videos. Some of the methods include regular physical exercise, including strength training and cardiovascular exercise, proper nutrition that includes proteins, fats, and carbohydrates in the correct proportions, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, reducing stress levels, improving sleep quality, avoiding alcohol and tobacco, taking antioxidants such as vitamin C and E, which help protect testosterone from oxidation, increasing vitamin D levels in the body, which is also related to testosterone levels, and increasing zinc levels, which play an important role in testosterone production. If you found this video interesting, please comment. This will help us promote healthy living in the community. Also, like and subscribe to our school's channel to stay informed, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to see videos among the first.